Hello, so here's an instructions how to set up a new card. So you make sure that you've got the person set up as a user, and if not, we can set them up here. So we can have a virtual card, which is included within your Apron subscription, or physical card. You can request from Apron for cost of £5. If you don't have the user in, you can set it up. So I can set myself up. I'm just going to put a different email address just to give you an idea. So you select an employee. So if you select employee, they only see their expenses, nobody else's. And also you set up an email address they will be sending their receipts to. So what I recommend is usually put their first letters, so they can start taping, or you just put accolade families, or you can set up whatever you want. And this is the email which is going to be used to forward any receipts to. And then Apron knows who uploaded the receipt. So you add the member. Okay, and then you hit continue. You can name the card as you want. So if you've got few Alice's, you can put surname, and it will create the card. And then the card is set up. So what happens on the other side of the email, the new member will receive an invite to their email address, and it says, "Hi Alice, you received invite to Accolade Families." You go to the account and you follow instructions to logging into it, which we're going to show in another video.